Hello coders. Today we will talk about what is basic difference between medical coding and medical billing. Medical coding involves the transformation of healthcare diagnosis, procedures, medical services, and equipment into universal medical alphanumeric codes. These codes are used for billing purposes, insurance claims, and healthcare analytics. Medical billing is the process of submitting and following up on claims with health insurance companies to receive payment for services rendered by healthcare providers. It involves translating healthcare services into billing codes and submitting claims to insurance companies for reimbursement. Medical coders assign appropriate codes to diagnoses and procedures documented in patients' medical records. They ensure accuracy and compliance with coding guidelines to facilitate proper billing and reimbursement. Medical billers are responsible for preparing and submitting claims to insurance companies, verifying patients' insurance coverage, following up on unpaid claims, and resolving billing issues. They play a crucial role in ensuring healthcare providers receive timely payment for their services. From the last videos we have started discussing basics of medical coding and preparing for CPC exam. Please check out our upcoming videos, like them and share with CPC aspirants. Till then, thank you and happy coding.